First open Start and type PowerShell. Right-click Windows PowerShell and click on Run as Administration. Now copy the text that you will find in the description of this video. Right-click white frame, select Edit and then paste. Press Enter. Type Exit and press Enter. Now restart and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, open Start and type WS Reset. Click on WS Reset. Now wait for Windows Store to be repaired. Close the store and restart. If that didn't work, open Start and click on Setting. Click on Apps. Click on Apps and Feature. Locate Microsoft Store and click on it. Click on Advanced option. Click on Reset. Now your problem should be fixed.